Hello friends, and welcome back to another video. This is a very easy floral nail art design using black and white acrylic color. I am not really good at freehand nail art, but I hope you like this very simple and easy nail art design. For this, first apply a base coat and then apply lilac polish on it and let it dry completely. Then I used white acrylic color and created the flower. Once the petals were done, I used black color to border it. Then I made a few branches and leaves all around. Finally, I added a few dots here and there. When the design is done, I allowed it to dry off completely, and on my middle finger, I made only the leaves as shown. Finally, finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat, and I repeated this on all the nails. And on the flowers which I had made, I used a rhinestone to give it a center as shown. Finally, I took this holographic glitter polish and I used the glitter bits, and I added a few glitter particles on the black leaf to give it an extra bit of bling, and I repeated this on all the nails. You can apply another layer of glossy top coat if you want, and that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you like this very easy nail art tutorial, and thanks for watching.